Another Lewis electron dot structure. This time we've got ammonium. Now be real careful. There's a huge difference between the cation ammonium and ammonia. Ammonia is this wonderful gas at room temperature and pressure. Ammonium is a cation that you will find in ionic solids, and they will all be solids. So you won't be able to pick up a jar of ammonia. You pick up a compressed gas cylinder, but you will be able to pick up a jar of ammonium chloride or ammonium nitrate, which you've got to be careful with. Okay, now let's do the Lewis dot structure. Oh, again, the name goes back to 1800s when the Swedish chemist Bergman was looking over the Temple of Ammon, and they used ammonium chloride back then, or at that temple, to help with mummification. So mummies and ammonium go together. Okay, Lewis dot structure. Next thing, we've got to do our valence electrons. So we got hydrogen. Oh, our lovely hydrogen. It only needs one valence electron, a pair of electrons on it, and nitrogen. So here we go. One nitrogen, 5 electrons, 4 hydrogens, each with one valence electron, gives us 4 electrons, and then we get 9 electrons as our total. Now, if you get a odd number, something's wrong. Beware, my chemistry students, because it's a very unusual situation. And go back and check things and say, what did I possibly do wrong? Don't pass go. Don't collect $200. Go back and look and say, oh, this was a cation. It has a positive charge. It's missing an electron. So there we go. That's going to solve our problem. So we can just say with a 1+ charge, it's missing an electron. It's got one more proton than electrons in this thing. So we're back to an even number, 8 electrons. Okay, all is good with the world. We can do a Lewis dot structure without having to really worry. Okay, 8 valence electrons. We put our nitrogen in the center and we surround it with our hydrogens, which don't need octets. All they need is a bond. As soon as you put a single bond in between hydrogen and some element, you're done. That hydrogen is set and happy with its first energy level filled. So let's go on and put in some bonds. And here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8. That takes care of all electrons. And our central atom has its low potential energy octet. Our hydrogens just need a duet each, of course. So this is happy. We've got the ammonium polyatomic ion all taken care of. We'd say it's got 4 sigma bonds, a steric number of 4, and we'll deal with its shape later on. Okay, that was a nice fast one. So goodbye, ammonium.